Alex. Oh, bless you.
'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
We're here now at Ikea.
I was restless and stranded on my own. Time seems endless, but nothing's going on. But you came round and turned it upside down. You saved me when I was helpless, but now that darkness gone.
Well, come on, let's go find a table first. So many people in here now. And it's only not yet 11.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be
Yeah. Coffee, please.
anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. And now we're singing.
Five what?
January, February, March, April, May.
Mistakes, I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath